As a new staff member or prospective staff, we are so excited to have you. We would love you to come, and we invite you to experience our story, and we encourage you to create your own. Our story is that of a multi-generational family ranch tied to the Zion area through this beautiful property we call Zion Ponderosa Ranch Resort. What began as a family property for my grandparents has evolved through love and hard work to be the lodging and adventure resort that it is today. As a member of our team, you become part of our family and our story, and we hope you love it as much as we do.
The Zion Ponderosa experience combines unique lodging with awe-inspiring recreational activities that culminates in an experience that is entertaining, educational, and emotional for our guests and our staff. Every department and job here at Zion Ponderosa plays a unique part in providing this experience, and each job is equally important. Positions at Zion Ponderosa include the following: guest services. Be the first contact with a guest and provide excellent service, assist with registration and check-in, and be the information hub of the resort for our guests. Guest service staff are stationed at the front desk, the pool, reservations, and our campground desk. Staff members will have the opportunity to learn and work within all 4 areas. Housekeeping team. With lodging ranging from glamping tents, Conestoga wagons, and cabin suites to luxury vacation homes, there is never a dull day on our housekeeping team. Learn the ins and outs of caring for each property and how to provide that amazing guest experience so that when they check into their lodging, they are thrilled that they chose us as their resort. With great working hours and a fun team environment, housekeepers provide a positive, impactful memory on our guests and are critical to our success. Food and beverage. Feeding hungry hikers is no small task. From the youngest adventurers to the seasoned hikers, we provide a variety of food options to our guests. Our main restaurant, Ray's, serves 3 meals a day. Our Narrows Cafe brews amazing specialty coffees, smoothies, milkshakes, and treats. Our Pinecone Grill fires up wood-fired pizza, and our Bluebelly Poolside Grill provides treats and snacks poolside. Add in event catering, and we need all the help we can get. From servers to hosts, banquet servers, line cooks, prep cooks, catering cook staff, and dishwashers, there is always something cooking in our food and beverage department. East Zion Adventures. The Zion area is well known for its world-class recreational activities, and we take full advantage of what the beautiful landscape has to offer. As the keepers of outdoor adventure, the EZA team has an extraordinary task of providing safe, fun, and educational experiences to each participant that travels here. Whether it is a cliffside jeep tour, slot canyon rappel, or zip line, our staff experience every activity with the guest and teach them what it means to be keepers of this beautiful area we live and work in. Maintenance and facilities. Zion Ponderosa Ranch has over 4,000 pristine acres that border on Zion National Park for over 5 linear miles. Our facilities team helps maintain our grounds, roads, buildings, and more. From our Infinity Edge pool to our full fleet of company vehicles and Jeeps, we have an experienced team to help make sure every light turns on, every engine fires up, and every door opens at Zion Ponderosa Ranch. Everyday work life. Life at Zion Ponderosa can be an amazing experience. We offer on-site housing for our staff so that when you wake up, you are steps away from your workplace. We are also mere minutes from Zion hiking trails, famous slot canyons, and climbing experiences. We encourage our staff to participate in all the area has to offer, including other national parks like Bryce Canyon, Lake Powell, and more. We want our staff to have the same experience as our guests and encourage them to take advantage of the resort amenities and recreational activities like swimming, pickleball, paddleboarding, basketball, and more. With regular staff activities, monthly town hall meetings, and fun department work environments, it is easy to make friends and stay busy while you are here. We understand that there may be challenging times within a job, but we are committed to helping all of our staff work hard, learn traits and skills to help them grow as a person, as well as benefit them in future careers.
Humble. Humble team players take pride in their work while focusing on the success of the team. They help with the job that is needed. Hungry. Hungry team players seize every opportunity to go the extra mile for the guests and fellow team members. They are proactive in all they do. Smart. Smart team players work well with others and help encourage the best from all who they come in contact with. While avoiding conflict, they help bring the team together and raise their team morale. Loyal. Loyal team players are reliable and honest. They always show up, work hard, and can be trusted with any task. Loyal team members do not make excuses, they take ownership of the problems. Passionate. Passionate team members are self-fulfilled. They know what they do and why they do it. Passionate team players truly invest themselves in their jobs, other team members, and the guests.
If you are willing to be humble, hungry, smart, loyal, and passionate, we want you as a member of our team. At Zion Ponderosa Ranch Resort, adventure is a lifestyle. No matter what department you're working in, we hope you're ready for the best summer ever.
I've been working here at Zion Ponderosa for about 3 years now in a variety of different departments. I now work for Eastside Adventures, which is the adventure company for the resort. While working here at the resort, I have also been able to pursue my college education online, and it has worked very well for me. I enjoy being here because I'm able to get real-world experience doing what I love in the place that I really want to be.
I love Zion Ponderosa Ranch Resort. I have been here like a year and a half now. And my favorite thing about this place is the people that work here. You know, they are very good people. You get to connect with people from all around the world who come to work at this amazing place. And I am the restaurant manager here. I did start as the kitchen person here. I used to cook and I worked my way up to the restaurant manager. That is the amazing thing about this place. It's always growing and they like their people to grow with them.
I'm a wrangler here at Zion Ponderosa Ranch, and I take guests on some of the most incredible rides really in the world. Some folks will ride their entire lives and they'll never see country as beautiful as this. I'm passionate about the horses. I love everything from start to finish, the care, obviously the riding, but especially that relationship that you can build with these incredible animals. The management's great. I've loved working with them. They're extremely mindful of our circumstances, and they're aware of the horses. They want to be in this partnership with us and with them, and I have a great time. Honestly, this is the most incredible office in the world, and I absolutely love it.
Hi, I've been working at Zion Ponderosa in housekeeping for a couple summers now, and it has been a great summer job in between my college semesters. The location is awesome with the national park right in your backyard. There's plenty of recreation activities on site as well as in the surrounding area that you can go and do. You work with a super awesome team in housekeeping with pretty flexible hours. I love coming to work knowing that my attention to detail and the specific tasks that I'm assigned will help ensure that our guests have a great stay. This really has been an awesome opportunity to meet new people and work and play in such a beautiful area. If you are considering working here, I highly recommend it.
I first encountered the Ponderosa as a vacationer. I then decided to become a summer worker, and then I decided to move and work here full-time year-round. This place has something about it where it just draws you in. The people, the environment, the work, it all brings a sense of purpose and meaning while you're here. Prior to this, I worked in hospitality with Marriott, and that was a much more corporate setting, and coming here has been amazing to work with this close-knit community that feels like family. If you're considering working with us, just remember you'll work with me, and we're going to have a lot of fun here, so we really hope you come.